Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we help you design smarter, not harder. Today, I'm sharing some simple but effective tips on how to organize your Canva projects. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the number of designs in your account, this video is for you. Let's get organized. Create folders for different projects. First, let's talk about using folders. Canva allows you to create folders to keep your projects organized. Start by categorizing your designs, like social media, presentations, or client work, and create folders for each category. This way, you can easily find what you need without scrolling endlessly through your designs. Name your projects clearly. Next, always name your projects clearly and consistently. Use descriptive names like August Instagram posts. This not only makes it easier to find your designs, but also helps you stay organized as your project library grows. Use Canva's search and filter tools. Canva's search and filter tools are your best friends when it comes to finding specific designs. Simply type in keywords related to your project, and Canva will pull up relevant designs. You can also filter by date, type, or even color, making it easier to locate older projects. Archive or delete unused designs. To keep your workspace clutter-free, regularly archive or delete designs you no longer need. Archiving moves the design out of your main view but keeps it accessible if you need it later. Deleting, on the other hand, permanently removes it, so use this option carefully. Set up a routine for organization. Finally, set up a routine for organizing your Canva projects. Dedicate a few minutes each week to sorting new designs into folders, renaming projects, and archiving or deleting old ones. A little bit of regular maintenance will save you time in the long run. And there you have it, Genius Junkies. Quick tips to keep your Canva projects organized and easy to manage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!